If you can brand it in any way, shape or form, we'll do it.
To installs, to vehicle wrapping, to anything and everything. I've wrapped a helicopter before, which was quite cool. We've de-wrapped a barge.
We do full internal builds, external builds. We did one for Dr. Martin, so it had satellite dishes on the roof, full chrome exterior wrap.
We branded a whole multi-storey car park before a running track for night, so we've had to stick vinyl on the floors.
We'll do things like in the background you've got the Lego character. That's a flat render, someone's had an idea in their head. We've been able to make that into a reality, and then it's all driven around London. It's all ended up on social media. We're known for wrapping vehicles. It's where the company started. We're equally as interested in transforming spaces, taking on projects, big builds, anything that's a bit weird, wacky, wonderful. We're your people. The benefit of using Cube is that we have everything under one roof, everything's in-house. If you need a last-minute adjustment, call up the account manager. It can be altered in the design department, reproduced, reinstalled. You don't have to wait for external partners, you don't have to wait for lengthy delays. We can make everything happen all under one roof. We've got enough people that have done the job for long enough that we've got the experience, we've found solutions to problems in the past.
So we have a full electric fleet of vehicles. We charge them off our own solar panels.
If we can use electric as a company, we generally do.
To keep the carbon footprint down as best as we can as a company.
People should choose Cube because we're trusted by some of the biggest brands in the world. We'll do anything. If you can brand it in any way, shape or form, as long as you've got the budget, we'll do it.